So I'm gonna do a little review on this Gabba Goods Dash Cam Pro. This is from Ross. It was $12. Okay. What it comes with is the camera itself. It comes with, I guess this is for the computer. I don't know. So this is definitely a charger. Hold on, let me see. Maybe it has a USB and a regular cigarette lighter charger. Yeah, let's see. Yes. So I believe you can use either USB or the cigarette lighter charger. And then that's all it comes with. And it does come with the mount for the windshield. And you just have to buy your own USB card. And it does like a micro USB. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead. This thing is so light. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and test it out. Guys, so the USB cord is for the computer and the cigarette lighter one is here. Okay, let's kind of look at Navea. Hello, Navea. Okay, wait, let's. Alright, so I got it hooked up there, and it's in a pretty decent place. So I'm just gonna drive around for like a couple minutes and then show you guys how the camera works. And it's like right now I want to say it was a good purchase for $12, just so that I can have something, you know, for now, just see how that goes, just in case anything. At least I have a video of it. But I want to say that this camera is a good buy for $12. Can't go wrong. Look up in the sky and see how many constellations we can name again. I love everything about you. You smile with your eyes. I love everything about you. You're my sunrise. So I just want to say that on this turn it was very blurry, but that's not really a problem for me. You see how blurry it is. And right here, at least I recorded a stupid driver. You see that black car turning in front of that gray car? Like, people are dumb when they in Hawaii. And then he goes all the way to the far right, and then this car is gonna go right behind him after. I don't know, maybe road rage after. They might get into something. You see how that car turned? But anywho, so at least I got this camera. I'm really, you know, I just was kind of thinking it's not gonna be a good purchase, but it's not too bad for the price. You cannot go wrong. And it was purchased from Ross. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it gave you guys some kind of insight on the cameras at Ross and stuff. Yeah, thanks for watching.